Okay, welcome everyone. I'm making this video so I can show you how you can buy our Hub tokens. At this moment, this button is still going to the seed style, but we are going to update it so it can go to Uniswap. That's where you can buy Hub tokens. In the meanwhile, you can just go to our token address on Etherscan and copy the contract address. Okay, you just need to copy it, and then you need to go to Uniswap, which is uniswap.org. That's where we listed Hub tokens on November 1st, so yesterday. And you just need to, I'm going to disconnect the wallet so I can show you. But basically, you're going to have to connect your wallet. Hopefully, you already have one. I'm going to use MetaMask and it connected automatically. And let's select the token that we want to buy. In this case, I'm going to buy tokens. We are still updating the logo, so it can be quite simple, so you can know which one you can buy. And then select the amount that you wish to buy on whichever currency you would like to purchase. Let's say, I'm not sure if I still have enough, but let's see. Okay, let's make it like one. Okay, this way I can. So in this case, I would be willing to pay 0.001 Ethereum, which is around $1.81 to receive 263 Hub tokens. And I would be paying approximately 9.30 in gas fee. This is not optimal, as you can see. So whenever you are ready, if you are ready to buy Hub tokens, make sure you buy a considerable amount just because of the gas fees, right? And this way you can take advantage of our ranks and all the benefits that come with it. So that's a story for another video. But basically, this is how you can make it. Usually, it's going to instead of swap, it's going to appear approve because you need to approve the token first, and then you can swap it. Whenever you swap, it's going to pop up MetaMask, and you can just convert it. You just need to swap it. And the tokens, it's going after the transaction, it's going to appear on your actually let's make the example. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 0.1 Ethereum, so that's going to be around I'm going to pay $18 in Ethereum to receive Hub. Okay, let's make the swap, confirm swap. Actually, that's quite little. Let me increase the amount I wish to buy. So instead of 0.01, let's make 0.05, for example. That's $90, and I'm going to receive. Actually, I want to receive the first tier, which is a hero tier, and it's necessary 15,000 Hub tokens. So let's kick it up a notch and make 5.5. No, 5.8. Perfect. And this token has we don't have a buy fee at this moment. In the first week, we are not going to add a buy fee, but we do have a sell fee. So let's leave it at auto. Hopefully, it's going to work. If it's not going to work, we can make some adjustments later. But there we go. Let's confirm the swap. I'm going to pay 13 in gas fees and total around 120. Let's confirm. And now it's making the swap. Hopefully, it's going to be ready in a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds. Let's find out here. There we go. It's confirmed.